Welcome to Denny's Roofing, LLC Denver, where quality meets reliability. Our team specializes in expert storm damage roof repairs in Denver, Colorado. When unpredictable weather strikes, count on us to protect your home with our top-notch roofing services. Here, we understand the unique challenges Denver's weather can bring. Our experienced professionals are here to assess and repair any storm damage, ensuring your peace of mind. Our skilled team is equipped to handle all your roofing needs, whether it's hail, wind, or heavy rain. We take pride in our craftsmanship, providing durable solutions that meet Colorado's most challenging conditions. When you choose us, you choose a roofing company that cares about your safety and satisfaction. We prioritize transparency and will always provide you with fair and honest assessments. Don't wait until a minor issue becomes a significant problem. Call us for an inspection today. We are here to protect your home and family by giving you a helpful roof. Our commitment to excellence extends to every job we undertake, whether big or small. With our expertise and dedication, you can trust us to deliver the best storm damage roof repairs in Denver, Colorado. Ready for your storm damage room repair? Call us today at 970-545-0020. You can also visit our website at dennysroofingllc.com/denver-roofing-company for more information or to request a quote. Denny's Roofing, LLC Denver, your reliable partner for storm damage roof repairs in Denver, Colorado.